has successfully apprehended 5 illegal Bangladeshi migrants in the Northwest District. This was done after a sustained and meticulous surveillance operations. 5 mobile phones installed with the banned IMO app, which were being used to communicate with their families in Bangladesh, have also been recovered from their possession. This is the latest breakthrough that has been achieved by the Delhi police and specifically the Northwest District, in fact, where the operations in the crackdown against the illegal Bangladeshi and the migrants has been launched long back. Javed Hussain, my colleague, is joining me for more. Javed, at this point of time, in fact, the Delhi police has achieved a big breakthrough where there has been incriminating material that has been recovered and also given the traces as to how this racket and how this entire nexus was being operated from the Northwest District in the national capital. Now, the Delhi police has achieved big success. Share more details. Well, all right. My colleague Javed will join me in just a bit. At this point of time, viewers, what we are learning is that a big breakthrough that has been achieved by the Delhi police. Now, let's shift our focus to other developments. Most major stock indexes are in the red as the US President Donald Trump shows no signs of easing up on his global trade war. The Dow Jones Industrial Average fell to 349.26 points or 0.91%. to 37,965.60. The S&P 500 dropped to 11.83 points or 0.23% to 5,062.25. However, the NASDAQ Composite rose to 15.48 points or 0.10 to 15,603.26. European shares have also slumped, with the pan-European stock 600 dropping to 4.5% and closing at its lowest since January 2024. UK's FTSE has crashed over 5%. Germany's DAX index has also tanked near 6%, and France's SAX slumped to 4.78%. Meanwhile, in Asia, China's Shanghai Composite index has dropped to 7.34%. Additionally, Hong Kong's Hang Seng index has plummeted to 13.22%, with financials and technology stocks taking a beating. Trump has ruled out discussions with Beijing as he ratcheted up a confrontation with China. He has warned that he will further hike the tariffs by over 50%. China has decreed the statement slamming Trump. China has termed this as a unilateral bullying practice. China has emphasized that it will fight till the end. While Indian stock markets have opened in the green today, even as the global markets have remained largely in the red. The BSE Sensex has recovered about 2.11% and the Nifty 50 has recovered 2.16%. All right, viewers. Professor R.S. Deshpande, senior economist and visiting professor at ISEC, is joining me live on the broadcast to speak about how exactly the Trump tariff war has resulted into big troubles for the global indexes, which have seen, in fact, being in red since the morning. If you can hear me, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. It's
appreciate you very much for joining me live on the broadcast, and thank you very much for being with us. Right now, if you can see how the Indian markets have also reacted in the view of the growing concern over how the global markets have reacted to the Trump tariff war announcement, where China has been strong enough in decreeing the statement saying that they are going to fight. But what remains to be seen ahead from this point is definitely crucial and concerning as well for the global markets as well. So there is one sentiment also pushing the question forward. Is the US likely to go into recession, is what one part of the narrative of this entire situation looks like. Your thoughts?
See, first thing is I'm in a hopeless minority for the reason